Greetings, car fanatics. If you've owned a car for the last several years, you probably are in a situation like me where you've tried a bunch of different cell phone mounts. Well, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Rennline custom cell phone mount for my 2008 Porsche Cayenne Turbo. Before we review the Rennline custom fit mount, let me talk about some of the common phone mounts you'll find and the problems with them. We'll start first with these windshield mounted cell phone holders. Some of them like this is pretty old school, but you have to clip your phone in. That's not good. Also, it could just easily pop off like this. And these windshield suctions aren't always that reliable. They can come off pretty easily. I've also tried this Scotch magnetic cell phone holder. It's better than the other one because it has a sticky adhesive suction cup piece, so it's less likely to lose suction, and it has a convenient magnetic holder that will attach to your phone. The problem with this one is if you have it on your windshield and you're going to put your windshield screen on, it gets in the way, so that defeats the purpose of having something like this. I've also tried these magnetic cell phone holders that attach to your vents. The problem with these is that they can come off pretty easily. Over time, you can actually cause scratches to your vents like I did on my car, so that's not great at all. So now let's go ahead and review the Rennline custom fit mount, and I'll show you how to install it. The Rennline mount comes with everything you need to custom fit it to your car. For my 957 Cayenne, we have the mounting bracket, we have the actual cell phone magnetic mount, we have these metal plates that you can put inside the casing on your cell phone, and then we have this screw to mount everything together. Let's go ahead and install it. Installing the phone mount is pretty easy. You just have to pry off the trim piece over here. Start from the bottom and carefully pry it, working your way up. Now this might just look like a piece of metal, but it is so nice to have something that is custom designed for your vehicle. For my Cayenne, this mount is going to screw in right here. We have two screws that we need to remove that hold the head unit in place. They're T20s. Let's go ahead and remove those. So before installing the bracket, you want to tighten the ball mount. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this in place. Alright, with that in, let's just go ahead and pop in our trim piece. And will you look at that? That is so nice. I can already tell this is going to be so much better than anything I've tried so far. So now let's go ahead and install the magnetic mount. You just snap it in place on the ball, and then you want to tighten that. So my phone case is already designed to work with a magnetic cell phone holder, but if you don't have one, you can use these supplied metal pads and just stick that in your case. So to get it where we want it here, we just want to angle it towards the driver and tighten this up. And will you look at that? We have our cell phone holder. It is custom. It's not going anywhere. Your phone's going to be nice and secure, and look how good that looks. You can mess with your phone while driving if you need to, and it's significantly better than one of these that go into the AC vent that can pop out. So I've had the Rennline phone mount installed for a week already, and what do I think? Well, it works just how I imagined. It keeps my phone nice and secure. I haven't had any issues with it. Overall, I am super happy with this phone mount, and for 50 bucks, it is a great deal. Well, thanks for watching, Car Fanatics. I hope you enjoyed this product review of the Rennline cell phone mount holder. I think it is so great to have something that is custom designed for your vehicle. If you're going to get a cell phone holder for your car, don't worry with these generic universal ones. They may get you by for a little bit, but they're really not optimized for your car like something that is custom built like this. If you want to get yourself a custom cell phone mount, take a look at the description below and in the comment section where I'll leave a link where you can go and purchase these. Well, thanks for watching, Car Fanatics. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave any comments or questions below, and be sure to hit the bell notification icon so you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.